Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the ×2 diamond. Um, I think it's only on like weekends, or it was over. Now it's a Monday. Hopefully it's still like a weekend for you guys, or like a Sunday. I'm not actually sure when this ends. But basically, you are going to go to the area. I don't remember what it's called, honestly. Let me just check real quick after this. I will go to the area like right after this. Hopefully if the map is opened. I might need like more logs, to be honest. But you'll need to go to the, I'm just gonna call it the castle. I know it's not that, but it's a place where there's like the cult, I guess, and you kind of have to go there and fight them. Again, it is easier to play with friends than just doing this alone. I'm just doing this alone to show you guys the tutorial, basically. But basically, I keep saying basically, you'll need to go there and open the chest. Here, I'll show you in a minute what the place looks like. Hopefully, I remember. I don't remember where it is exactly. I do have to kind of run around the map to find it myself. So just bear with me. This is just me starting out. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is so annoying. I need like more stuff. And especially because I still have an old axe. Okay. Where's the other one? Okay, I don't know. So basically there's like a castle where the cult lives, and you have to go there and you have to find the cult. So you do need to kind of be there for like a while, be here, because you'll need like a rifle, a sniper, whatever it is, and you'll need bandages. So hopefully I can find it. I forget where it is. I'm being chased, aren't I? Yes, I am. So basically once you're done like fighting, oh my gosh, okay, so that's where the cult is, but there should be like a kind of castle. And then at the end, there will be a chest, and then you can collect more diamonds. Basically, diamonds are for upgrades. I'll show you in a minute. It's basically for your role, to be honest, like, to make this a little bit easier. And again, it is better if you play with friends, so they can have like different roles. Maybe you can be the support role. There are new roles on this game. Oh my gosh, night is approaching. Okay, so I'm not able to find it right at this moment. But trust me, trust me, bro. Where is it? Okay, there's a chest. Well, there should be one. I think it was the one that I just passed by where there's like a lot of people. So yeah, that's pretty much it really that I can show you. I cannot show you like me going in there because I would just instantly die because I don't have the equipment for it. What's this? Warm clothing? What? I just knew this existed. Sorry, I don't know why. Clearly I have not explored the map that much because it's pretty big actually, so yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you can get diamonds, is by opening the last chest. But there are other chests that you can get diamonds from, so just try opening the chests that are here. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.